Did you know that mastering floral and event design can transform your creative potential? With just 60 hands-on sessions at Meghaa Design School, you will unleash your creativity, allowing you to craft stunning floral arrangements and event decor that captivate and inspire. First, dive into the world of floral arrangement techniques that evoke beautiful emotions and stories. Learn how to balance hues and textures to create breathtaking floral displays that leave a lasting impression. Also, learn how to design event decor that takes your client's breath away. Our course teaches you to create stunning backdrops, arches, and various other design techniques, turning any event into a memorable experience. Gain essential skills in capturing customer requirements, creating designs, presenting mood boards, sending quotations, making flower lists, and executing events flawlessly. With our guidance, you'll be equipped to plan successful events, from weddings to corporate gatherings. Upon completing our course, you'll receive an industry-recognized certificate. This credential opens doors to exciting career opportunities as a floral or event designer. We help you with internship opportunities and potential job placements. Start a thriving career, connecting with industry leaders and like-minded professionals. You will also become capable of starting your own successful flower shop and event company. Enroll in our course to unlock your creative potential. Join a community of passionate designers and learn from experts who are eager to share their knowledge and experience. Transform your passion into a rewarding career in floral and event design. Join our upcoming batch now. DM us with your name, current profession, phone number, and city to receive our course brochure.